Yes. What's happening there? No, they told us to leave.
I need to take the microphone.
No. Let's go. What's happening? There's nothing happening here now.
I told you guys have been careful, but the gates have now been opened, and we're trying to follow with the cameras to see exactly whether the convoy has managed to make it out. I'm just going to try to catch my breath, Bongiwe. I mean, really, drama is one word, pandemonium is another way I could describe what has unfolded here at the kwaKhangela Mankeng and the Royal Palace. Touch and go situation, Bongiwe. I can tell you that at the moment I heard, as you can see, there's lots of movement, Bongiwe. We're trying as much as possible to stay out of the way. There you can see the convoy through the fence. It's not clear at this stage what is going to happen to the AmaZulu throne. It's not clear what's going to happen to the now King Misuzulu Zwelithini, who was now officially ordained, Bongiwe, when that last will and testament was read out by advocate Madota Griffiths Madonsela and